Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss one more important concept of probability distribution, that is Poisson distribution. This comes under discrete probability distribution. Okay. So Poisson distribution is a discrete probability distribution and is a limiting form of a binomial distribution in which the number of trials becomes very large and the probability of success of the event is very small. Assume that the given value of p is equal to 0.9, use the binomial distribution. If the given value of p is equal to 0.09, use the Poisson distribution. So point something is there means binomial, 0.0 something is there means Poisson distribution. So Poisson distribution is used in cases where the chance of individual event being success is very small. This distribution used to describe the behavior of rare events. For example, so finding the number of defective blades per box of containing 5000 blades. So we are finding the number of defective blades in a box containing 5000 blades. So rarely we'll get the number of finding the number of printing mistakes in each page of the first proof of a book. The number of air accidents in India in 1 year. So these events happens very rarely. So in such cases we are going to use Poisson distribution. So mathematically the Poisson distribution is given by e power minus m into m power x by x factorial. Where x is equal to 1, 2, 3, it will take any finite value. M is the mean number of occurrence of an event and e is the base of natural logarithmic. The Poisson distribution is used under the following condition. So first important condition is the random variable x should be a discrete and happening of the event must be only two cases, that is success or failure. Applicable in those cases where the number of trials n is very large and the probability of success is very small and the mean should be a finite. Moving to finding the mean and standard deviation of Poisson distribution. Since the derivation is not included in our syllabus, straight away I given the formulas. Mean mu, in now onwards in Poisson distribution we will use the notation m, that is equal to n into p. Variance sigma square is equal to v, that is also equal to n into p. Remember, in Poisson distribution mean and variance are same. So standard deviation is root m. Whereas in binomial distribution mean mu is equal to np and variance is npq, but in Poisson distribution both are same, that is equal to np. So now moving to the first problem. So 2% of the fuses manufactured by a firm are found to be defective. Find the probability that a box containing 200 fuses contains no defective fuses or 3 or more defective fuses. So x denotes the number of defective fuses. So the probability is equal to 2%, that is 0.02 they are given. So in the question they are not specified about binomial or Poisson. By looking at the value of p, you have to decide which one we are going to use. So here p is equal to 0.0 something is there, use the Poisson distribution. To use the Poisson distribution, I want the value of mean, that is compulsorily I need to find the mean. So I will use the formula mu is equal to, that is m, that is equal to n into p. There are 200 fuses, substitute 200 and p is equal to 0.02. Simplify, we will get the mean is equal to 4. From Poisson distribution write the formula m power x e power minus m by x factorial. Substitute the value of m. 4 power x e power minus 4 by x factorial. The first sub question, probability of no defective fuses means x is equal to 0. Substituting x is equal to 0 in this particular expression, I will get 4 power 0 into e power minus 4 by 0 factorial. Simplify that expression, you will get 0.0183. Next sub questions, probability of 3 or more defective fuses, that means x greater than or equal to 3. X greater than or equal to 3 means there are 200 is there, I can't able to go with 3 to 200, I will come with reverse order. 1 minus p of x less than 3, greater than is there, consider less than, equals is there, don't consider the equality. Okay, that means p of 0, p of 1, p of 2. Substituting the values of x is equal to 0, 1 and 2 in the formula, we will get this particular expression. Simplify using calc and finally we arrive at 0.7619, that is probability of 3 or more defective fuses out of 200. Okay. Moving to second question. In certain factory turning out razor blades, there is a small probability of 0.002 for any blade to be defective. The blades are supplied in the packets of 10. So use Poisson distribution to calculate approximate number of packets containing no defective blade, 1 defective blade and 2 defective blades in a consignment of 10,000 packets. Okay. So now let x denotes the number of defective blades and p is the probability of defective blade, that is 0.002 for a packet containing 10. Remember that one. So by using this value, I will calculate the value of m, that is n into p. So I am calculating for one packet containing 10 blades, that is 10 into 0.002 will give the value of m is equal to 0.02. Okay, substitute the value of m in the Poisson distribution formula, will get 0.02 power x into e power minus 0.02 by x factorial. So simplify the value of e power minus 0.02, will get 0.9802 into the remaining terms. Okay, now the estimation is required for 10,000 packets. I will multiply the p of x expression by 10,000, that is. Okay, use this method whenever in the sub questions there is no terms containing at least or at most or more than something or less than something. So whenever inequalities is not there, so straight away use the f of x expression, that is just multiply p of x into the number of packets, that is. If you have at least or at most or any inequalities are there means, so don't go for this particular step. Okay, use the p of x step only. For that, for individually we can able to multiply whatever the answer we are getting into number of packets. Since in this question there is no inequalities, so straight away I considered f of x is equal to 10,000 times p of x. Simplify this expression, 10,000 into 0.9802 will be 9,802 into 0.02 power x by x factorial. Okay, so the first sub question, the number of packets containing no defective blades means x is equal to 0. Substituting x is equal to 0 in f of x, will get 9,802. Okay. Now second sub question, number of packets containing one defective blade. Substitute x is equal to 1 in f of x and 9,802 into 0.02 power 1 by 1 factorial will give approximately 196. That is 196 packets containing one defective blade. Okay, so number of packets containing two defective blades. So put x is equal to 2, sorry there is a typo error, make this as 2. 9,802 into 0.02 whole square by 2 factorial will get approximately 2, that is 2 packets containing 2 defective blades. Okay. So moving to the next problem, the number of accidents in a year to a taxi drivers in a city follows a Poisson distribution with mean 3. Out of 1000 taxi drivers, find approximately the number of drivers with no accident, and second sub question is more than 3 accidents in a year. Okay, so x denotes the number of accidents in a year. So given mu is equal to 3, that is mean value is 3, and for Poisson distribution, that is take it as m, substitute in the formula, will arrive at the expression p of x. Since here inequality more than is there, now I am not constructing the equation of f of x, that is I will keep p of x as it is, and going to the first sub question, probability of no accidents, that is x is equal to 0. So 3 power 0 e power minus 3 by 0 factorial will get 0.0498. So estimation is required for 1000 drivers. Now you multiply with 1000 into whatever you got the answer, will get 49.78. Since I am finding the number of drivers here, so I will approximate that one, is you will get a final solution as 50 drivers. That is out of 1000 taxi drivers, 50 drivers are not making any accident in a year. Okay. So probability of more than 3 accidents in a year. x greater than 3, that is 1 minus p of x less than or equal to 3. Since I have 1000 drivers, I can't able to go with 3 to 1000. I will go with the reverse order. 1 minus greater than is there, consider less than. Inequality, equality symbol is not there, consider equality symbol here. So that means 0 to 1, that is p of 0, p of 1, p of 2, p of 3. Substituting these values in f of x, taking e power minus 3 as a common factor, we will get 3 power 0 by 0 factorial, 3 power 1 by 1 factorial, 3 power 2 by 2 factorial, and 3 power 3 by 3 factorials. Okay, simplify this expression, we'll arrive at the solution 0.3526. So multiply with 1000 for estimation, we'll get 352.6, approximately 353 drivers. That means the number of accidents, that is making more than 3 accidents in a year, is 353 drivers. Okay. In the next video we are going to discuss some more problems on the Poisson distribution. Thank you.